What I wish I knew at dental school: how to nail Class 2 restorations every single time. Let's demystify matrix systems. First things first, choose the right matrix system. Sectional matrix systems are your go-to for achieving excellent contour and contact. They mold to the tooth anatomy better than traditional Toffelmeyer systems. Next up, let's talk about placement. Proper placement of the matrix band is crucial. Ensure it hugs the tooth tightly without any wrinkles or gaps. Don't forget about the wedge. Wooden or plastic, it doesn't matter as long as it fits snugly. The wedge helps to separate the teeth slightly, making room for the restoration material and ensuring a tight, proximal contact. And hey, use a ring. A good ring provides additional separation and holds the matrix band firmly in place. Now here's a pro tip: burnish the matrix band against the adjacent tooth before you start placing the composite. This helps in achieving a better contact point. When you're ready to fill, layer your composite incrementally. This controls shrinkage and helps maintain the contour. Finally, remove the matrix system carefully. Check your contact and contour, and make any necessary adjustments before finishing and polishing. And there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to perfect Class 2 restorations every time. Got any other dental dilemmas? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more top tips from the pros. Happy restoring!